the sound of music. That's the Faraimo family / the Bomb Trap family. But hi, my name's Penny. I'm one of Aggy's older sister. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. I first met BAH when they were in NZIS at the time. I could honestly say he was one of my sponsor child. Him and Aggy would try and grease up for lunch money. I don't even know if they went to school, but you know, just helping out. It was awesome meeting him. I think just overall, on behalf of everyone in Australia, BAH, much love to you, bro. Wish we could have spent more time together. Aggy and the kids, such a blessing. It's a blessing. And a great lesson learned overall. You know, sincerely and genuinely look out and love your family members. Forgive. You know, no matter where they are, how far it's been. You know, stay connected. Love each other. You know, there'll be moments, anger, whatever. Let it go. Move on. But I think everyone that's spoken so far, it's so beautiful. Beautiful to hear. I also, you know, met more of them and got to know that side as well. Yeah, I think under a lesson I learned from one of my mentors, under one sky, we are all family. And I truly am proud and grateful to call him a brother. To the family, I haven't really met you, but looking forward to meeting you all. It's great to hear that you're recovering well. To the parents, much love to you. I can't wait to meet you. But on behalf of my family, my parents, I know that BAH would have been an awesome brother, an awesome son-in-law, and a great friend. So thank you, BAH, for all the memories. Looking forward to sharing this with your family as well. So yeah, thank you very much.